Hello, 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 hello everyone, hello everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Here is your girl once again, Mama A and D, baby presenter, baby no saga. She's here tonight. She's here tonight. Sorry guys that now I'm coming late. You guys know that now is summer. It's very difficult for kids to sleep, go to bed like 7 o'clock in the evening. It's very difficult for them. But anyway, I'm here. So tonight we are going to talk about hookup. I'm going to introduce this thing here, this juice plus here. You all can see here, you can see it. So let me just push the camera a little bit. You can see it. So I will be introducing this to you guys, what this can do in your life. And we are still going to talk about what is going on right now in Germany. And so, because yesterday I could not finish with all the topic. So I could not finish with all the topic yesterday. Why is it that sometimes you all like to disturb? You see that I'm online. This is now this time you like to disturb me. Please, guys, sorry. So my beautiful people in the house, sorry. Sometimes some people just like to make people angry. No. My name is Baby Presenter, Baby No Saga. Baby No Saga does not like making problem. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Um, so my people, my beautiful ones, I greet you all. Good evening to you all. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How are you all? How are you all doing tonight? How are you? I hope everyone is okay. Let me commit this program first into Papa God. And Father, oh Lord, I thank you for this wonderful day. I commit this program into your able hands tonight. Father, oh Lord, come and take control in wherever, whatsoever we are going to do here tonight. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. So, my people, yesterday I think, yeah, I finished late. So I could not finish with the topic that I was doing. But anyway, I'm here now. Today we are going to talk about the things I could not talk about last night. And if you have any question, you can ask. And if you have, if you also have a suggestion to this thing, you can also tell us, because this our sister need help anyway. She need help. Please, before I will start, please, my people, share the video. Thank you very much, my lady. Holy Temple, my lady, good evening. Lovely Kaziru, good evening. How is your family? Holy Temple, good evening. We all are fine, thank you. And how are you doing? Please, guys, before we start, please share the video, please. Let me drink my shaky baby. Yo. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Tastes nice. So please share the video before we will start. Please share the video. Go invite people, invite your friends, even invite your enemy, no problem. Everywhere pepper soup. Everyone is allowed to be invited. So there is a question. Let me start with this. A lady asked a question. She called me, I think that was last week or so, but I was Holy Temple, I greet you now. Holy Temple, I greet you. I say good evening. I say I dey fine. How you dey? I greet you now. If I don't see you, waiting again. I see you, my brother. I greet you. So this lady asked a question. She said anyway, she tell me a little bit about the story. She said I forgot to ask her since how long she had been in Germany. That's my bad. So she said when she was coming from Italy, phone tete, good evening. So she said when she dey come from Italy, she get 5 years documents. So she carry that 5 years document come Germany. As she carry am come here, German people dey collect am for her hand. Now dem dey ask her make she and her children go back to Italy without her husband. Dem no say make her husband follow her. Dem say make only the girl go back to Italy. So Okorie Vivian, thank you very much, my lady. Good evening, thank you. So the problem now is that she wan know, she asked wetin she go do now when be say dem don collect her document, and dem say make she go back to Italy. Say if she wan go, dem go write am paper, dem go pay for ticket, everything. Say Italians no go deport her because na there she for get am before and she get paper there. Say dem no go deport her. So now I come say, as for me, I really no know wetin I go do now, because dem no say make her husband follow her. And the girl now say only she no fit take care of the 3 children, because now she get 3 children. She born one for Italy, then she born 2 here. So now she say she need advice, make people tell am wetin she go do now, wetin she go do. Make she really go back to Italy, or make she stay here with her husband. Which advice una get for this our sister? Anyway, anyone can call in. If you want to call in, you can call in. Which advice una get to give this our sister? So now I wan advise her make she wetin una like to tell am. Abeg, I go dey wait for una comment, whether comment or if you want to call in, you can as well call in. You can as well call in. So I'll be waiting for your reply. I'll be waiting. I'm waiting. That is it. And the girl, she's very, very scared. And there is also another one again. Anyway, this one now, this is what is raining now in Germany. And I want to use this opportunity to tell the people here. Please, 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 now Germany is hot, which everybody know. In fact, all Europeans is hot. But the main problem now is that, the main thing now is that, now they will ask you to sign a paper. And that paper is by force. You must sign the paper. Just listen. Please, please, my people, if you don't know what this paper is talking about, do not sign. Now, what they are doing to our people is this. They will ask them to sign the paper. They will tell them that if you don't sign this paper, we are not going to give you money. Una know as Nigerian people like money now. As their eye, their mouth, everything, we like money. So they will sign up. They will sign the paper. They will sign the paper. So my people, if una know something about this thing, maybe the thing don first happen to una before, I dey beg all of una, more than say dey use am take dey advise other people, because they say who no go no know. Because many people they don't know, as they say make they sign am, say they no sign am, they no go give them a document. Many people go read dey happy, or they think say they no give them money. Many people still dey happy, say maybe okay, na money they wan give us. If I sign am, I go get my money. Yeah, if you sign am, you go really get your money. If you no come sign am, maybe they'll come tell you, say may you go your embassy, whether you get paper when you want to, or whether na Caritas they tell them. They'll say may they go Berlin, go do one paper. That paper now, the Berlin people, if they reach there, the way they explain it to me, if they reach there, they go explain their condition, their situation to Berlin people. Then Berlin people now go now write paper, give embassy, say this person we no know am. We no know am. One girl tell me the other day, because the thing happened to her, I call her. So she say her own. She say her own now. She go there, she do am, but embassy write say they don't know her. But if the government don't give her paper, then they feel reason, maybe they feel know which country she for come. But as for that one, when I seen that one, I see say some K-leg dey there. K-leg dey there. Truth no dey there. truth no dey there because if Nigerian embassy say make dem give you paper first before dem go know which country you for come, that means may I not say somebody dey lie here. That means something dey under there. Germans dem no be fool. Germans no be fool. Dem go reason am, dem go say now we understand. Those people dey try to pull our leg. Those people dey try to fool us because I believe say dem no be small pikin. When be say you just pikin go dey cry now, you give am biscuits now or anything, the pikin go just calm down. The pikin go just relax, say okay, everything dey okay. So why I dey tell una this thing be say I dey beg everybody, I dey beg my Nigeria people. If you no know anything, if you no know how to read the paper, no go there. No go there, take the paper, tell them say you give your lawyer. Even though they wan beat you, they no fit even fight you, they no fit force you because it's not by force. It's not by force. They no fit force you say make you sign am. That one na lie. E no fit happen. Na wetin dey your mind, na you go do. If dem say make you sign am, you say you no sign am, say you wan first go ask your lawyer, then they'll give you go ahead. They'll give you go ahead. You get the chance. Na your life. You fit go meet your lawyer. You fit carry the paper, go give anybody wey be say you wan carry give. Make dem read am. And if you be the type of the person, because that girl say if you sign that paper, may you try to dey comot for house if care is not taken. Because if after you don sign the paper, maybe before a week of it, they fit come your house. They fit come that person house, carry the person, go back to his country. Because the person don already write, the person don agree, the person don accept, say they fit carry am go anywhere they wan carry am go. But if you never sign the paper, maybe if you still dey okay, maybe if you no still dey okay. So I dey beg my people, if una no know wetin dem dey write put, make una no dey sign am. German dey hot. German dey hot, and no be joke, no be momo. German really dey hot. I know say some people go say, I forget that side. Now today we start to dey sing deportation. No, not be today. You dey right, not be today. Or you go reason and say that time now and this time now, no be the same thing again. No be the same thing. This time around now, things dey change. Things dey change. You'll see Italy when be said they no dey. Italy when be said they no dey like to deport before. They no dey deport. Mostly Napoli. Because if you dey Italy, you know Napoli. You know say Napoli na Africa. You know say Napoli na Africa. Okay. We'll go like this now. Now, Napoli, people when they Napoli, fear not even they let them they come up for us. Because I get people there when we say they communicate with every day. Fear not they even they allow them they come up for us again. Because of this deportation, everybody they fear. Nobody want enter problem. People no fear not they even to go because Napoli they get connection house there. They get connection house. Police don't close many connection house. You can't carry your head say you want go that connection house, you want go any connection house, police catch you or even once you dey waka for road. They say now wetin dem dey ask now immediately wait paper. Na be the thing now, wait paper. If you no get, they'll carry you. They no even sometimes who get lucky now they will even carry say they want put for prison. They'll carry the person, they'll go knock the person chest for Nigeria. Before we go they say Italy no get money, now make them know the deport. Italy no get money, but now, yes, my lady, but now they deport. But now they deport. So anything wey we dey do now, make we just dey be careful. Make them dey be careful. Make them dey be careful. Make them dey be careful. Because now Europeans, in fact, may I say that they vex for we Nigerians. Because the way when we dey do our things, our way no pure. Truth not there our mouth. Hi, good evening, my lady Lily Omare. Truth not there our mouth. I'm coming. Truth not there our mouth. That is Nigeria for you. Truth no dey. You go see many of our Nigeria boys now. You see many dey work oh, they work. Oh, welcome my lady. They work oh, but ask them which kind of work they do. Black job. I don't know why my voice is always low. Oh my God oh. So is it okay now? It's okay now? Please, if it's okay, let me know. My voice is okay now. Maybe I have to. Don't worry, guys. Soon I will buy earphone. Not earphone. I will buy this thing, speaker, microphone. I'll buy microphone soon by the special grace of God. By the special grace of God. By the special grace of God, I'll buy a microphone so that everybody go dey get wetin I dey talk. Maybe I don't know, maybe na because say I no like to dey shout, or maybe if I dey the camera my voice go come low well, maybe na cause am. So make I shout. Una dey hear me now? If una dey hear me, una just say yes so that I go know so una dey hear me. If una dey hear me, una say yes, so I dey wait. Now they hear me? Please, if you are hearing me, just say yes, yes. Are you guys hearing me now? Is it okay? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you are hearing me, say yes, yes, so that I will know. Can you guys hear me? I'm waiting. Okay, good. Thank you, my lady. Thank you, thank you. Good evening, good evening. So that is the problem now. Everywhere is very hot now. Everywhere is hot. If you are in any country, even though in Nigeria, Nigeria is your country, in Europe, even in America, no place is safe for Nigeria anymore. In anything we are doing now, we need to be careful. We need to watch our step. We need to watch where we are putting our legs. Europe is not like before. Europe, you can fight before, you can fight like Italy. You can do anything you want. You can do that, you can do this. But now, just try it. They'll say, look at those black people. They have started again. Those stupid people. Those stupid people. Please, Nigerians, if you have the opportunity to work in Europe, try to use the time. Try to work. Pay task. When you are doing this, you will see. I bet you will see. Sometimes here in Europe, if maybe even though they have given you rejection before, but when they see that you are working well and you are paying task. My sister, you are very correct. German, they really dey hot very well. The situation of last year and the situation of this year are not the same. So at now, Germany dey deport o. That is it. But many people, they will say, forget that side. Forget that side. Forget, who care? Who care? Who care? We don't care. We don't care. Nothing dey happen. So we see the Nigeria, they beg all of una. If una get the chance to work, if una get the opportunity to work, I dey beg una, mona work. Mona work. If una not get the time to work, maybe if na I'm coming, sorry. So if you have the chance, please stop thinking, stop looking at what others are doing. You are not others. You are you. You are you. I'm telling you, you are you. Don't see this person because this person is doing this. You too, you also want to do it. Because that person is doing that, you too, you want to do it. Una forget everybody here not be the same. We fit go interview now. Okay, let's use this as an example now. Maybe people will be saying that if you have baby with a German, you will have document. Some people will even have baby with the German. The German man will come and say, yes, the baby may be mine, the baby is mine, but I'm not interested because I told the lady that I was not interested in having any child. They will not give you paper. They will not give you because the man will not sign the father shaft. So everybody here no be the same. Where mama A and D waka go, she fit collect that thing. You fit still go, you no go work. Where you waka go, you fit get that thing. I fit go there, they go say we are sorry. So that is this life for you, my brothers and sisters. Make we try wake up. See, one lady they tell me her story that day concerning this online business, this juice plus business. Let me drink my shaky. Come and join me, guys. Shaky. Come and join me. Let's enjoy a little bit tonight. So this lady, she tell me a story. How the first tell her make she go back to Italy. She really go, but later she can't come back. So the lady say when she can't do this work, now, this juice plus business, she dey serious, and she can't get a lot of money for the business. Could you believe now the lady don't go register the pay tax for this business when people they look say forget that side, this one forget that side. This business now, so they call this woman, they send her, the woman said they send her a letter, say make she can request for German passport. So my brother, my sister, may I ask you a question? If this woman, if God fit do one for this woman, who you be? You get well. Why God no go fit do one for you? Abi no be the same God una dey serve? If God no sleep for our whole time, why God go sleep for your whole time? Now I make this life no matter anything we be say we dey do, make we dey serious. Make we dey serious. Sometimes when people go see me, they'll say, Mama, hey, auntie, now only you want to put yourself for this side. If a person don't call me, I dey talk her every day. Person when they do live video. She don't call me one day, say, hey, now only you want to do this, you dey do that, you dey do this. Hey, this and this. I say, see you. I say, now so I see her. Because I know what thing I want. Some people will say, forget you too love money. Of course, I love money, which is true. I love money. If person know where for the come, where for command, you go know, you go stand. If you reason your past, if you reason where for the command, where for command, you go say, no, I no go just relax. You see some Nigerian lazy youth, lazy youth. Time to do something with your life. You dey use until they sleep. Sister, how far? Now bed won't give you work. Even though government, mostly now when we say government, they say people are not allowed to work here in Germany. They'll say they don't give them permission to work. Sister, brother, this is your opportunity. Come and join this Juice Plus online business. Come and do this business. Start getting money from this. Not every time you'll be waiting for government to give you money to eat. Stop wasting your time waiting for the government. Look now, like this paper that I said before, you have to sign. They will tell you, sign this paper or we will not give you money to eat. If you are doing this business, you will not even care. If you like, you sign. If you like, you don't sign. You will not care because you know that you are getting money from this. You know that there are some business there that is giving you money. But if you are just sitting down, doing makeup, they carry low waist for men, they carry low waist. They from one woman to another woman. Even same thing to women. Jump from one man to another man. You'll say, God, I commit everything to your able hands. Hallelujah. Help those who help themselves. If you don't help yourself, sister, brother, forget them. Nobody will come help you. For example, now, I meet you now like that time when I Italy when they work. Although say money when they get 300 euro per month, I they work for Nigeria restaurant for Napoli. So you get one girl when I sing, the girl they go road work. Also say I fell know the girl for Libya. I call her and say, my sister, how far? Why you don't want to change this work when they do? Come make I help you find work because that time if you see me, not be this time when you say, if you see me, you go there. If I tell you say na there for bomb me, you say na lie. You no go tell me say na lie. You go accept. You go say, wow. I call this girl, come make I help you find work. May you they do. The girl asked me, he said, may I ask you, how much should they get? I said, they get 300 euro a month. She said, 300 euro. She said, you see me as I just did so, as I just stand so, as I relax so. That 300 euro when you say you they get per month. Me sometimes I even get on one night. sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes a week, I fit even get that money pass. I just look and say, my sister, calm down for Jesus. For example, now say today now, maybe she no get documents, she go dey among people wey be say they run up and down, now they cry. But maybe if to say she take small work like this, e go bring big work for you. When I come up for Nigeria, I no come on say maybe my papa post me come here or my mama carry me come here, make I come go school. Like school, I'm not talking about prostitution school, like normal school. But when I come inside where I for the suffer, where I for the do shorty, now there I for see my helper, old man, who say, a young woman, you are too young, this work is not good for you. Did you want to go to school? Did you want to go to school? I was like, yes, of course. When I tell my boyfriend that, my boyfriend say, forget, you know all those Italian old men, maybe na woman they find. Maybe na woman they find. But today, uncle, the man, I dey my house when they send me letter, when they call me, say, come our office now. I go, they say, we have a ticket for you. We are going to buy you a ticket to go to Venezia, Santa Lucia. And this Venezia, people when they tell you, no Venezia, not be Venezia Mestro, Venezia, Santa Lucia, na highland for Italy. That place na place where be say black no common. Everything about that place is dey expensive. I was like, yes. They say, you like it or we should change it for you. I said, no, yes, it's okay because I don't get choice. I don't even know where they carry me go. I accept. Now I take go. I learn many things from that place. Today now, I feel cook different kind of food for my children. Now Italian handwork. When I come up for Nigeria, many things they will be say I don't know. But when I come Italy, that time people they laugh me. This one don't know what she want. Forget her. Now school she can't go for Europe. But at the end, if I sit down look myself today, I go laugh. Those people when laugh me that year, say whether na school I can't go for Europe. Today I pass them. I pass them. So my sisters, my brothers, anything one they do for this life, more than they serious. More than they take things, one they do they serious. No, more than they just like you get opportunity to do something. Some of our women there, you call them for reasonable business, or maybe for this one now. Because this one now this one a lazy business safe. Because you don't need to they come up for your house, say you want to go post on, or you want to go do this one. No. What you need now your phone, now only to the press, they chat with people, they talk with people. If you still like to come, you go still come social media like this, come introduce these beautiful things, give people, explain to them what is the thing they do for body. This one a lazy work. When we say this work, even though you not sabi the write, you not sabi the read, you not sabi the speak English, you fit do this work. Even though you dey sick, you get belle, you fit do this work. Some people go still see am. Some people go still see am. They'll say, I no fit. I dey shame. Wetin you dey shame for? Shame no dey bring food for person table. Shame no go fit try and bring food for your table. Lie. Nigeria women won't understand. Since this, why they call people for this business since now? Some women you call them, sorry, thank you, I'm not interested. But men, even men, no, men are even interested most. I don't register 3 men now. 3 men, never even reach. You don't reach a month now when I start, Abi. You be like say don't reach. Now I don't get 3 men. 3 men when I don't register. Only 1 woman. Other women where they did. Sister, now one continue to the fight to her husband because of kindergarten, because of child care gate money. How much they even be kindergarten? 150. Or one, you know even reserve. Now you will fight your husband for. Why you not stand do something reasonable with your life? Even that your husband, if your husband not they respect you before, if you even see say my woman a hardworking woman, my woman, you go see that man go even stand, he go support you. This one lady tell me a story. She say when she start this business, her husband say, forget me, I know this and this. When her husband come see what she dey gain, she and her husband now then come do this business now. They come they do one together. Husband and wife. Now they come they do one. So sister, why you not fit do one? Some people go say, and the worst part of it is that waiting many things wey be say I don't like to send my very comments at the come. Those that have right to work can find out and work and save money. because work doesn't guarantee Nigeria and Ghana of stay in Germany, but make them save money. Yeah, Nikki Abe, very, that is true. That is true. You look beautiful this evening. Stella Anthony, thank you very much, my lady. Wow. Ex-Napoli lady, you are so different in character, sister. Keep it up. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, you are right. Venezia, Santa Lucia things dey cost here. Yeah, people wey dey Italy before, they go know say wetin I dey talk. So even some people wey be say they even know me for the Napoli, they go fit come outside talk. They go fit come outside talk. Say maybe yes, na true to know this girl. And the worst part of it is that wetin dey vex me most for some of our women, you go call them, my sister, come buy this thing. If you no dey interested to buy, come join the business. This thing good. You know wetin they go tell you? You go say, wait, make I first ask my husband first. I can laugh them. Husband, their husband though. This one now not be even, maybe not be man wey they even born for. Not be man wey be say even married the boyfriend and girlfriend. Boyfriend and girlfriend, man wey dey shaku am. The man never even put you for house. The man never know where you dey go. You two never know where you dey go. And later now, they fit even allow you, ring you, say, madam, no vex. My husband say make I not join. Oh. Say live video not good. People when they do live video not good. Live video not dey make person dey responsible. My husband say this, my husband say that. I'll say, hey, truth. Sometimes if you want advise them, they go dey think say maybe you want to take their man from their hand. Nobody dey take your man, oh. But what I want let you know this night be say, men no dey like lazy women. Oh. Men no dey like women wey lazy. Here na Europe, even Nigeria that year, my mama still dey also. For Africa, man go work, woman go work. So because say you can't do Europe, because say you just see Germany when be say they're good to you, you want just shampoo to for grant. They open to toe anyhow you like them. They open your leg anyhow you like them. When months end, you go, Mr. Servant, where's my money? If they're not even giving you your money complete, you start to they break bottle. You start to they fight them. They kill them. They do this, they do that one. Why you not go fight for your rights? When I come this place, so when I change from camp, when they camp, they receive me and my children, they receive 700 euro, 700 or something. So when I come this place, so when I come get my own house, they come start to they give me 400 or something euro. That 400 or something euro now. If I tell some people, they'll say I forget you, they lie. When I call the man when they under my this thing for job center, the man explained to me. He said we have to remove water bill, we have to remove light bill, we have to remove this. But when I explain that to some people, for some Nigerian people, no, you need to carry lawyer. Why they go to shop your money? No, you just need to meet them. You need to now person just they shop your money. Now I tell them, say, no worry, forget. This one not be my country. Those people they just they try. Even though na 5 euro they give me so far, I go not say later I go still get something from this side. Because me, I get a lot of people when they take care of. I get family for home. Orphanage home day when beside I need to support. I get children when I need to plan future for. So sister, why you need to fold your hands? Just stay like this, they look. Some of women, some of una, including men, una they feel they stay Facebook 25 hours, 24 hours of a day. You get internet, you get phone, you feel they enter Facebook, you feel they snap selfie, open body, open chest, open back for Facebook, they post. People they comment, baby, you look so beautiful. People they comment, baby, you are the one and only. People they comment, baby, you too fine. People they comment, people you too sexy. Now sexy, now those ones go put food for your table. Now those ones go belly full your belly. Now those ones be the future when you get for your children. Ladies, where are they? Mona share the video. Mona go call them. Ladies, where are you? Wake up. Don't be a lazy mother, dear. Don't be a lazy mother. Stand up and do reasonable things with your life. See me at all now. Europe here not be Nigeria. When we say as we grow up, we even need to follow our parents suffer before we go eat. You see this Europe, all those children when you born for Europe. No worry, make them complete 18 years or even 17. You don't see something, give them, say, my son or my daughter, this one na wetin I get for you since all this year when I born for you. Make you dey wait say that pikin go follow you suffer. You no go try am. You no go try am. The pikin go even open mouth tell you say you are a bad mother. I hate you, mom. You see, this child care money, some people go say, no, forget oh, they no allow person save am. If you save the money, they go collect am, they go close your account, they go do this. Of course, dear. They not just tell now. Even sometimes some characters, the good people, they will still advise you say, this money, see the meaning of this money. There's someone that still they choose until they take care of the children. Yes, that one join. They still say make una they save for the children in case of tomorrow. Because nobody knows tomorrow. I tell you, my brothers and sisters, we no know tomorrow. They go bring your pikin money come. Some more for us, we not go even use the money to buy better food. Sometimes, oh God, I do not want to go this side. Sometimes, if you see food, when we say our Nigeria people, they give their children one food. Jesus. If you see for Jamie here, you go to pity the children. You go to pity them. If you see some children house where children dey, only single toys like this. One toys when children take they play, you know they their house. Only one toy, you know they their house. Pikin go even tell you sometimes, mommy, please, I want us to eat rice today. Will you shut up? What is wrong with you? Did you give me money? Blah, 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 blah. Sister, shut up. You shut up your dirty, smelly mouth. The pikin don't give you money. But government, they give you money, make they take care of the pikin. Wetin be child care benefits? Not for you. Not for your pikin. If they give you your own money, you're supposed to they save their money. Or if not so, if you know want more and they do the thing equal, no problem. If they pay the money like this, if na 10 euro be your own for months, the children own na 10 euro, the other one na 10 euro, then it's na 5 euro now take do the shopping for the month. Everything na for everybody equal. Don't be say some of na just carry, some of na go carry the money go Africa. Bank and go to save money for household. Children wanna get here, na no fit take care of them. Na no fit take care of na children. Some of na go carry the money. Blah boy, hello honey, sweetie, sugar cake, bobo, honey, my cockroach, where are you? I have that thing that you make request of. Can I come and see you? I miss you so much. Mugu. Mugu. I know person like that. Once they just pay, fiem to boyfriend house. Until the money go finish, or that money don't still finish. Before I go still come back to camp, come collect another money. As they collect, and those people now when they do this kind of thing now them be this. Hey, Mama Dorothy, you get pancake? I better bring for me, I go pay you. No worry, if they pay me next month, I go pay you. Banka. Sister Matiti, I beg you get you I go pay you now. You know say I go pay you. They go buy credit here, buy credit here, buy credit here. If time reach, people won't be say that they owe money now, they won't come collect their money. They go run, come up for house. You get one lady, one not like that. When I know what this lady come they do them. The lady don't know the date when we say that they pay some wicked people like that. She'll just go wait, she go come up for her selling that money, go land trust some. Before they go open, she go dead here. She go they wait. If you just they collect your money, go just owe you. Manka, my sister, how far give me my money? Now so that woman come to they collect her money for people and that time. Sister, what you go gain for all those things? Man go come your life, man go leave you. Don't be lie. Man when want stay your life, you don't need to carry billions give am. If you like carry billions, everything when you get, go sell your house, sell your everything. As Toto Dike do reach, at the end don't call. Wetin happen to her? Now question, make I use her as an example. Person wey be say she fine, she dey okay, she gets. If they say make they talk and the woman dey okay. Now person wey be say people dey respect. Man fit fuck her up after everything. So you when they get 1 cent for government hand, that man no go fuck off. So many of our sisters when be say they just how many years they do it be again. Carry money give black boy. At the end you call the man still leave them. The man go leave them, go marry the innocent woman. Woman when be say no even they give them 1 kobo. So sister, why una no fit change? Why una no fit change in our life? I been not saying about give man money, now man will tell of you. Yeah, sometimes it's good to support man. Maybe when man they in difficulty, he need the money. No be say you go carry and give, and you go carry and go give another person. Mugu, make a read comment, Jare. There are many business in Europe that many people don't know. This is Western where nobody is a child. Some people stay home and get money, then 5K every month. Western is one of the most secret thing in life. What I know, people should write and work hard in any way they can get it. That is it, my brother. That is it. That is my advice for them. Because even me that is sitting here today, nobody knows what is going to happen tomorrow. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Even though you spend 50 years here, tomorrow they can decide, this is not our land. They can decide that, madam, I'm done with you, or you have to go back. You'll be like, but I have passport. Shut up. They don't do want to be that. See, nothing what if you do. Nothing. So, my people, why can't you be serious for once? Nobody go shop your €100 when you want to register. Or your €50 when you want to register. Nobody go shop on. At the end, you go get your money back. If you work hard. If you work hard. Because you know, just say I don't register, or you just go like down for bed. Customer, where not there, or maybe if you write one person. Hello, bros, I beg, I get juice plus. You want? You go say no. You say bye-bye. No. Sister, you have to stay strong. Bagada. Me now, sometimes around 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, I never sleep. How they call, they find people want to go call, want to go talk to. Hello, how are you? Please, are you interested? This, that's how I do it. I don't sleep. Before, when I new start the business, I just did like this, like say tomorrow, don't they? Customer will come, sometimes I just come like video, this finish. Until we be say, person will be say we start the same day. I be she start yesterday, me I start today. Now she bring me, now she register me. I see say she don't get promotion. She don't get her first promotion. She don't get the money when she take register pass. I say, what am I still doing? Now I take stand up. But when I stand up now, by the special grace of God, this month end, I know how much I go receive from my accounts. No be saying I'm momoing, no be saying I'm joke. I know the fight for first promotion, I know the fight for second. I'm praying for the third promotion. So if I can stand and boast like this, that I can make it. So why can't you also do it, my ladies out there? My beautiful women out there. Why can't you do it? Why can't you do it? Why? You can do it, my dear. You can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Not every time we'll be asking man, hey, honey, sweetie, I beg you, if you buy me pancake, you go say, okay. Honey, sweetie, I beg, oh, my pants just tear for nyasho. I beg, please, guys, share the video. I beg, honey, my pants just tear for nyasho. I beg, if you borrow me money, if you give me money first, okay. Tomorrow, honey, my son just, I beg, I need money. Go tell you, say, what did they worry you say? You know the work. What I hate for my life. What I hate. Now, men man, they open in mouth. They tell me, say, you know the work. I like to the tell man, say, if my baby father, every time, sometimes if the thing enter my head like this, I will tell him, say, you forget, say, the time when I know you, you be nobody. I meet you, I dey talk and they also they watch my video. You go still watch them. The time when I know you, you be nobody. Woman frustrate you. When I meet you, you dey sleep for another ground. It better pass say some man go tell you, say, will you shut up? Did you know how I make my money, sister? If you suffer, follow man. Tomorrow you go feel come outside, tell the man, say, no be so you be when I know you. You know, say you don't get anything. It better that man go to tell you, say, will you shut up your dirty man? Don't touch that thing. Did you know how I make my money? I hate insult for my life. When people insult me in a good way, I like it, but in a bad way, if you try and they tell me, say, babe presenter, that thing when you wear, not me buying for you, I go ask you a question. Well, bros, you the colo? You the mad? You come sit down, women, ladies, how far? Sit down, you put for ground. They phone 24 hours. They say, honey, I be want to do this thing, I be no want to do breast this. Even the man said, the man fit tell you, you see what women don't know. Maybe now you say you want to do this thing and this business now. Maybe your guy say, I know, I don't want to, because live video, this and this. You as a woman, you know where to touch your man. You know how you take talk to am and say, honey, may we try am. May we try am. Maybe something go come inside. What do you think? If you dey fear say men go collect me, you go dey do am, you go dey talk with them. May we try am. Pet the man. Touch the man where the man go for capish, go for understand. So that the man go allow you. No be say man go just say, no, I don't want. You yourself, you go just open all your body. Thank you, no problem. No, sister. No, sister. Maybe you go find work for restaurant. Your husband will say, no, baby, I don't want me. You go work for restaurant. No better thing. But tomorrow night, get some money where you go ask her, and you go tell you, say, will you shut up, go and work. So my sister, sometimes you go to take risk for some things where you dey do. Tell your husband, say, only don't worry, I'm going to surprise you with it. Don't worry, trust me. Trust me, believe me. I'm not going to shit on you. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do that. You go see. Maybe if you don't see him, if you start and you see say it's not good for you, you can quit. Then just hold on. Everything make only they say yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. These days, women don't keep. They all need already made. That is the problem. Oh, that's their problem. Wetin they need na already made. Everybody they look for man where they wear trousers, they wear low waist, they wear Gucci, they wear Adidas. They don't know. They don't know I take get that money. Oh. They don't know I take suffer. Wetin they know now? This bros, this guy, I must test that guy. I must see wetin dey inside. Women, wanna shut up. Wanna go work. Wanna go work with una life. Sister, make I tell you something. If una not get things one I want to do with una life, wanna call me. Make I make una life they useful to una. I know they advise person for another side. Say maybe I can't say okay, I'll they give you man, you they give one. I know they do that nonsense. I could direct you for good way. If you follow my way, you no go ever fall. They tell you. Forget say I know they make up, I know they dress, I know they do this, I know they do that. If you follow my way, you no go ever fall. Because me, they always they think future. They think future. So let me read comments. From camp, and my money was stopped till I left camp until tomorrow. Yes, Owasu priest, that is it. When you are working, they will stop you. Even when I was working before, they stopped me, they were not paying me again. But just think about the money you are getting from your work. It's ×3 or even ×4 from that money from that chicken change that they are giving you. Because that one I call it chicken change. And let me tell you something, this Aduro money is like ritualist money. They will just give you today. Money don't come, voila, you go cut and total. Oh, I go give this one smartphone, go buy iPhone 50. The money, where the money they go, I don't know. Money na fian. Before you know, the money don't finish for your hand. But if you dey work, if you be person, I bet more than they share the video, I bet more than they share. If you be person, because our people, they need to know the truth. Who cares to know the truth? They will know it. Please, guys, share the video. But if you dey work now, you come back for work, maybe a month they pay you. You go look the money, you go reason now. You go reason stress when you pass through how many hours you work. Then you go know how to use that money. You go know how to spend that money. But if you don't do, if you know the work, you don't just care. Anytime is a girl, I'm free to ask. Anyone that wants to support me, please guys, anytime commenter, thank you for even remembering me. So my beautiful people in the house, please, I'm begging. See, anytime if you don't get what I said, I didn't say that I want to help somebody to get more. I want to help somebody to give. I want to give them money. No, that's not what I said. People, if they need if their life is burned, they want to straight, I can help them. Let them come and join this online business. If they don't know how to do it, I will teach them. If they need advice, if I have good one, I will give them. I don't give people bad advice. So don't get me wrong, my dear. Whether na lady or na man I no even know all those fake accounts, they don't come again. Make I leave that one. So my people, before I forgot, anyway, thank you for your comments. You just remember me. I even forgot already. Please guys, I see that many people are complaining that my voice is slow, this that. Please my beautiful people in the house, if you like, it's not by force. If you want to donate something for me, I need a phone anyway. I even need speaker. If you want to donate, you can help with anything you have. It's not by force. If you want, you can inbox me so that I can give you my account number, or if you want to send it through Western Union, I can give you my name. You can write me. My phone number is +491 5784 194204. That's my number. Fake account, I don't have your time because let me just write my comment out. Let me forget about some foolish people here. My number is +491 578 +491 578 4194204. So that is my number. In case if you want to call for hookup, I'm also doing hookup as well. If you want to join this online, this beautiful business, you can also call me. I will introduce you to it. Or if you are interested in buying these things here, you can also inbox me, or I can also send you my website. You can make the order yourself. But now I'm coming. Later I will tell you guys what this thing can do in your body. But first, let me through with what I was saying before. Please, if you want to support me, I need a new phone. And not only that, but I need phone. If you want to support me in any way, you can support me. It's not by force. I'm not carrying gun to, like, if you don't do this, I'm going to shoot you. If you don't do that, I'm going to, no, it's not like that. But you can support me from your heart. You can support me from your heart. It's not by force. I'm begging you, please support your little girl, your angel, your baby presenter. Support me in any way you can. 1 cent is money. 50 euro is money. 20 euro is money. Don't think that I don't have 1,000. I will not support you. No. Anything you have, it's okay. You can support me with anything, because if Peter bring this one, the other one bring this one, the other one bring this one, the phone, it don't come. It don't come with that. So please support your girl. Support me with anything you can. Support me with anything you can, and you see God will bless you, and God will fill your pocket, and even the way you even get the money that you use to support me is not going to be a problem. You'll see it, even though you don't have, but you have it in your mind that you feel like supporting me. You see God will open the way for you. You'll get it. As I said, so shall it be. So that is it, my people. So somebody write a comment. Let me read. The best place to work is Europe. At the end of the year, you will still get your tax return. Please, my brother and sister, go and look for work and forget about government money. That is it. Oh, they will not forget. Oh, they will not forget. Oh, they will not forget. Some of them, many people are complaining that I don't want to work. Oh, because if I'm working, our government will be taking my money. They are shopping my money. Will you shut up your smelly, dirty mouth? Which money that they shop? Later now, if you old now, you know they work again. Not be the government go give you money. They give you pension. They know they miss some. They must give you. Your country, when you for come, you go to work, do okada, do this one. Who want pay you pension money? Who want pay you? So who they work? I dey give the person advice. Make the person continue. Make the person continue with your work. Continue. Even though people they say, you want kill yourself with work, now let you want take this life. You wan kill yourself with work? Tell dem say make dem shut up. Because work wey you dey work now, you go enjoy am tomorrow. See one of our sister wey I dey talk to today, she dey Spain there. Yeah, she dey Spain. She say, I go Nigeria now, I just dey come back, I no get money, but I'll soon start work. Now I say, wow. He say, but for now, they go dey pay me pension money because now I no dey work. I was like, wow. The woman say, yes, because I don't work well. I don't work well. I don't work well for Europe. I was like, wow, that is good. That is good. You see, Anna, even when I come this Germany, they ask me, you don't work before? I say, yes. Everything dey system. They even tell me, say, okay, get paper when they'll give me. I need to fill am because they need to write Italian. I need to get my pension money. I was like seriously, are they killing me? I need to get my pension money. I did another man's land, another Italian one for work. Not to talk about as I come to this country now. I come dey work. My pension money. And wetin una no know, make I tell you something. Wetin una no know. If you get wetin una no know for this life, be say, if you no work, they will still give you pension money. That one na truth, 100% true. But the main different thing is that you will not work now. If they give you 50 euro for your pension money, but person wey be say e work go dey collect like 100 euro pension money. I just use as an example. The person go dey get more than you. The person go dey get more than you. So why you want just kill yourself? I go see some single mothers, they'll say, I no wan work because if I work, they'll come stop to dey pay me money. See, make I tell you something. Make I tell you a secret one I don't know today. Even though you dey work for Germany, you see that kindergate? Kindergate na for everybody. For black, for white, for yellow, for everybody. Including the German citizen. Including the German citizen. The Germans. That they get them. Even though you dey work, dem no go ever stop that kindergate. If una no know before, I dey tell una now. I dey tell una. If una dey work, that kindergate, dem no go stop am. They go still dey give you. Kindergate is different. Maybe for example now, if I dey work now, only people wey go stop to dey give me money na job center. But kindergate go continue. My children go still dey receive that money. Unter out for Schluss, the papa go still dey pay. Those ones still dey. So sister, one on the fear. One on the say una no wan work because of this. I no wan work because of that. Why you not dey fuck up? Some Nigerian women how far? Sister, even though you dey work or you know dey work, come join this business. So as I said before, Mona no forget. I know say a lot of people dey there wey be say they still like me, so they will still hate me because this life, if everybody like you for this life, make you go look wetin dey happen. Make I drink my shaky. Look at the scent. Una fit scent am. Una no fit scent am. Mona no first. Mona go buy una own. Some people just dey lick mat dey put now. Mona come order una own. Make I drink jare. Sorry, I'm coming. This is too bam. If you have, let me read comment. If you have the right to work, guys, work. But if you don't have right to work, do anything to make money, because the more you spend longer time in Europe, the more you weak and also follows. Yeah, you are right. You are very, very right, my brother. You are very, very right. You are right. You are right. So this advice now is for a man that is writing this comment. Please, guys, be you woman, be you man, be you married woman, be you single mother, be you this, be you that. You have to work. Try doing something with your life. Try to do something. Try to help yourself. Okay, not dey wait for person, make person come help you. This one na Europe, papa not there, mama not there. They do something. Sometimes some people will say, see Tonto Dike, I too love this babe. See her shame, I go be like her. You see that one place, how you want to be like her? When be say every blessed day, the woman dey stress herself, they make her money. She not say she don't get, make she stop, make it not they make money again. No. Hustling continue. So why una no wan still do the same thing? Why una no wan do am? Eh? Why una no wan still do the same thing? Na question I dey ask una. Why una no wan do the same thing? Why una wan be lazy Nigeria youth wey dat baba talk say na una be? Una just wan make people believe say na true say una be real Nigeria lazy youth. Brother, sister, even though you dey work, after you come back for work, you still get time to take sit down for Facebook dey do aproko, or you get time to dey stay phone 24 hours dey gossip about Mama Ngozi, about Mama Nkechi, about this one. Use that time to make your money. E better say friends go dey tell you say, babe, how far your level don change oo, you just come dey run for us, you no come dey show your face again, person no come dey hear from you again. E better pass like that than if you dey call dem say, this yeye woman don dey call again, this yeye man don dey talk again, call again, dem no dey finish, dem too dey like to dey disturb person. The person go still pick your call, you go still pick, my friend, how you dey? Na gossiping go still start. You better say, you go be like, wetin dey worry that woman or that man? The person just come change oo, abi e don dey chop money. No mind na, because me, people dey always dey complain, since when you just comot for Aduro house, just come change this one. Because I have a lot of things that I'm doing. I have a lot of things. If I finish with this video now, people go still call me, they write me for hookup. People go dey call about this thing, who wan join? If I finish now, I get person wey be say I need to still register this night before I sleep. So which time I'll come get? I will need to, in the morning I need to wake up 6:30, clean my house, take my baby to school, make breakfast for the other one, because me I no dey eat in the morning, bathe my children. Then which time you come say I get? Come to the gossip with you. Which time, my brothers and sisters? Which time? Better say you use your time. Person go say, no vex, I no just dey get time. You're surprised, you see sometimes single boy, they'll just carry am comot for room, they'll go give only one room. For Aduro camp, only one go get one room. You yourself go dey surprise, say, why it be like this or this and this? The boy dey pay for your room, and if they work, that they respect him. That they respect him. That they respect him. You will be said they know they respect. You know they work. That if police come, now you be first. Wetin happen to you? Because you dey always dey stay house. If anything dey happen, na your name dey first call, say that person dey there. Because you dey always dey stay house. If to say you get reasonable things wey be say you dey do with your life, I believe say e for better for you. E for better for you, my dear. My brothers and sisters, una go look for reasonable things dey do with una life. Una go do. And for the question, wetin I talk before concerning this girl wey be say they wan deport, so I no know whether una fit get more advice for her or wetin she go do. Abeg, because this one is very, very interested, because she really need to know about important for her. She need to know what she have to do. Please, only if you have experience of this, only if you know what you have to say. Please, you can as well write your comment, or you can call in. You can as well call in, okay? Please, she need it, she want to know. She want to know about this. Okay, please, my beautiful people. Please. So that is it. That is it. To become a man in this life is not a day job. Not be money. So please, if you want to call me, you want to ask about this product, you want to join the online business, you want to do hookup, you need somebody, you are single and you are looking for a partner, but to hook up is not free. It's 50 euros to register. Please, it's 50 euros to register. Don't call me and start telling me 20k in Nigeria. Of course it's 20k. Of course it's 20k. So please, if you're interested in anything, call me. My number is +491 57 84 19 4204. That's my number. I'm going to call it again. +491 57 84 19 42 sorry, 194, yeah, 204. Let me call it again. Plus 491-5784-194204. That's my number. In case if you want to call me, or you can write me on WhatsApp as well to ask about this product, or to join the business, or for hookup, or maybe you need some advice from me. So now let me start. I can see that no, a lot of people are not online anymore, but it's okay because it's late. People have to go to work tomorrow. So let me quickly introduce this product to you guys, or no, I'll come back online tomorrow afternoon. I'll come online tomorrow afternoon to talk about this product. So let's leave this one for now. I'll come live tomorrow afternoon to talk about it. Okay, guys? You see, it look beautiful, and the taste is wonderful. You see, oh yeah, shaky, and the taste is like, oh my god. It's wonderful. They have different tastes. This one is vanilla. They also have chocolate on. If you need chocolate on, you can also buy. If you like vanilla taste, you can also buy. The taste is very nice. It's very nice. It's lekker. It's lekker. So my people, I'll be going now. Don't forget, guys, to support your girl, your little angel, with something, anything you can. Okay, support me with phone, microphone for this live video, anything you can. Okay, thank you all for watching my program. I wish you all a wonderful good night, a peaceful and blessed good night. May God continue to guide you all and protect us. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Good night all. I love you all.